In this series I'm sharing tasty and ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals will have a high energy to weight ratio of at least 100 calories per ounce. The recipes are fast and easy to make with just a few ingredients. Oatmeal is an awesome breakfast for hiking. It's easy to pack, easy to make, versatile and high in calories. But I don't really like it. Until I discovered this one, a Mocha oatmeal. The espresso balances the sweet and gives this breakfast a real punch. The exact measurements can be found in the description below. But the ingredients are of course the oatmeal, whole milk powder, cocoa powder and a bit of sugar. But now it starts to get interesting with a satchel of instant espresso. I like the espresso intense from Nescafe Acera, since it seems one of the only ones to get the thickness right and tastes of actual beans. Over here I've got the filling with dried bananas, roasted almonds and a bit of grated coconut. Just throw all of it in a Ziploc bag. And when you are ready for breakfast, boil half a cup of water and mix it together. There you go, a Mocha oatmeal that in combination with the nuts and dried fruits gives it an exotic and powerful taste that makes for some great variation in your oatmeal game. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.